This is a Zap box. I paid £10. Never pay that if you can help it, because that's just for the seller. Or I'll give you two for the price of one, you know. You can have this free, you know what they like. I saw this box, I thought, oh, great, lovely. And then only about 4 items have got any cartoon labelling on them. Which is this, I think. Little stick. 5 grams, 10 shots. Little thunder rocket. Two of these. Two of these. What's that? .4 grams. Now these are in the let's see what this is. Magma rising. Fountain. Little shot, 7-shot barrage. £15. These are in the other boxes they do. This one. Nice little design on it. 14 grams. So, you know, you could make fountains like this. Stick it in some soil, easy. Now, why do you need all this stupid boxing? You could probably buy a TNT, well, you can buy a TNT box, £4.50. Probably a lot better than this. £4.50 in Aldi. But no, packaging always gets you, doesn't it?